Hey there, and welcome back. Today I'd like to take a look at a game called 3D Checkers. Last time I played a game called 3D Tic-Tac-Toe. I don't think that this is going to be the same. Here's the guy who created it. I'm not sure if he's still around or if you can send him money. Let's just click Test Drive. It's going to put us into a demo mode. We will not have full functionality. Okay, continue. Okay, players, I'm going to make the computer white up here. So these are computer players now, and I'm controlling these black pucks down here. Okay, let's have a go at this, see how this works. I'll move over here. The computer is supposed to be moving now. Okay, they were just takes a little while for them to calculate the move. Okay, I want to jump there. Let's see. I have not played checkers in a long time. So I'm not really sure what the best strategy here is. Okay, I want to move up there to block him. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, in the rules it said that I must take all jumps, so I do have to jump him right now. There we go. Let's see. So I think I'll come up here. And I will have to jump him. Let's see, if I move this one up here, it will block him from continuing in that direction. Alright. I think I'll move this one next. The sounds in this game are a little bit annoying, but it is necessary so that you know that the computer has taken the time to decide what their next move is going to be. So now if I move up here, I will be able to jump this guy. So let's try that. Okay, so it said that I must take the jump, so I will have to come across here. So that might have been a mistake, but if I come up here, at least he cannot proceed any further without letting me jump him. It looks like it's a tied game right now. We both have 8 pieces left. Let's see. So I think I want to move this piece up. Okay, now I do have to jump this player. And I get to jump this player. Okay. So if I move this one out of the way, let's see. Oh, okay. Did not notice that, so I can jump that player. And they jump me. So they're going to get down here in the next move, but obviously I do have a lot more of these left than they do. So I think I'll just start moving these ahead. Okay, I had forgotten about that they now can move in any direction. Again, it's been a long time since I've played checkers. Let's see, that was probably a mistake. That was definitely a big mistake. I think the tables have turned now. It's only a matter of time now. Okay, I do have to jump this. And now I can move and become the king. I think I'll just leave them there for now. Although I do need to push this to make a move. There we go. And I can take that out. Okay, if they try to go forward anymore, I can take them out with my king. So now, there'll be a rush to see if I can get this over there before they can get to me. It looks like I can. There we go. Oh, they're deciding what they're going to do now with their king. You know, it's pretty impressive with the amount of computing power that the Mac Plus has, that it's able to do all these calculations. You know, these are really simple games, but it's pretty neat to have computer opponents back in the early 80s. It's pretty impressive. Okay, I've got two kings, so they're one king now. So if they just move around the board and then make a mistake. I'm going to try to get this one up to become a king now. Using my other kings as bodyguards. The computer is taking a lot longer to make decisions now. I'm feeling pretty good about this game now. Okay. There we go. Oh, I did not see that coming. I was concentrating on getting my king. But that's okay, I'll still have two kings to their one. Of course, my brain is smart, but this computer program was meant to do this one specific task. With such a big board to move around now, I imagine that this is going to take some time waiting for the computer to decide its moves now. And I think my best bet is to keep my kings in close proximity to each other. If I leave a space, it could jump both my kings in one move if I'm not paying attention. Okay, that's interesting. So I'm going to have to back off now. See what happens. Go and start following them. Oh, well, touche, computer. I believe the computer is even set to easy right now. I'm just gonna go on a kamikaze suicide mission now. The computer is way better at checkers than I am. I'll just get myself up. And there we go. The computer won. That's pretty good. When was this game made? Okay, continue. This game was made in 1987, and this is version 2.0 of 3D Checkers. I did have a lot of fun playing this. I'm not a huge checker fan, but this is actually a pretty decent game. Very good graphics, and the sound could be a little better, a little less annoying. But this is a quality game. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below and click subscribe.